There is nothing wrong with Savage that a 9mm wrench won't cure.
See what I'm talking about?
Maybe you're right.
No maybe. I am spot on the target. I care for the two of them, but you cannot have me in the middle of a dick swinging competition.
Young lady, when did you start talking to your father like that?
Pops, you might not like how it sounds, but it's the truth.
Who taught you to talk like this?
Well, a tall, dark, handsome man.
That will get you in here. Sounds like a good man. Yes.
He's a good man, yes, but him have him ways.
So, what's happening with Savage?
Pops, him look like him gone rogue.
Do you have any evidence of that?
Well, no concrete evidence, just two bodies in the cemetery, shooting in the bar, and a note that is left on the scene that says, write the report.
Me want try spite. Him dey on suspension and still expect me to do to him administrative work? Where you get go? Savage right. Anyway, call him Tonya.
Whisper, Tonya.
You sell anything like that, Bush?
No, sir.
If you ever come across anything looking like that, get rid of it.
What is it, sir?
Good afternoon, Region 3. I was just informed that there's a gentleman going around selling sweetie to students. They're not actually sweetie, but a drug by the name of Molly. I'm asking you if you could get in touch with your school. Have your schools make an announcement asking our students not to buy sweets from nobody at all, whether it be male or female. They sold it, to my understanding, at the Breadnut Hill Primary School not too long ago. And all those students that consume that sweets are actually in the hospital as I speak to you. So please, again, get in touch with your school and ask your principal to make a general announcement asking our students not to purchase sweets from nobody at all, whether it be male or female, because it's not sweet, but a drug by the name of money.
All of that is fairly accurate. But as usual, with our newspapers and radio stations, they have to get something wrong. That's not Molly. It's not even Sue. That's ganja. And if they're taking the time to read the label on the packet they sent out, it says THC.
That is affiliated with marijuana.
So go to the hell of the class.
So sir, that means all of the youth them eat that sweets there, them there in the hospital now.
Over 50 odd students. So, we have found out that the culprit lurks at schools in the corporate area. And we have managed to find out his next stop. So, I don't know how you feel about this, but Tonya, We're sending you back to school.
School? Oh, you mean schoolers?
So I'm actually going back to school for a day?
No. You don't have to worry about geometry and algebra and all them things. We're going to send you along the road that he know he takes to get to the school. And then, when he and you come in contact and he sees us schoolers, he may offer you some.
So what do I do, sir?
It's quite simple actually. You still have your taser, right?
Never leave home without it, sir.
And his friend, the pepper spray?
I have that too, sir.
Excellent. So what you do is get him close to you, immobilize him, incapacitate him. Whisper will be your shadow. So once you have done all of that, right down the road, our extraction team will already have him in custody. And Bubbles will pick you up. Poof! It's like you were never there.
Agent T, you ready?
Agent T, listen to that.
Yes, I'm ready.
Welcome to the big league team.
Look upon them 3 musketeers. And now hurry up and get rid of this little thing now, you see? Because as soon as you finish that, next target. And you see after him, Marcus.